Hello friends. Welcome back to the Blaze and the Monster Machines trailer channel. This time we will continue the Blaze cattle drive story. But before starting, help our channel to grow by subscribing to like and share these videos. Because subscribe is free. And you can see the latest videos every day. The excitement of Blaze times with Blaze's friends, namely the cow. Blaze went with his friends traveling down a river by using a traditional boat. The boat is made of large wooden blocks using a dynamo engine. Blaze and his friends all sing together while cheering. And suddenly there was a huge tree trunk that fell still in the middle of the boat, which made the boat split into two. The cow heard screams for help from Blaze. Blaze has the brilliant idea to be able to chase the herd of cows to be saved. So the Blaze must choose which river flow is very heavy, so the Blaze immediately chooses the swift river flow. And finally Blaze was able to put the boat back together and everyone was saved. And gather together. Thank you for watching our video. Support our channel, so that we can enthusiastically upload the latest Blaze videos every day. By way of subscribe, like and share.